Hi, I'm Founder Drew, and I'm inviting you guys to join us sa ating darating na She Planet First Anniversary Grand Eyeball presents She United sa darating na June 23, Saturday, sa Luneta Park, 2 p.m. Punta na kayo guys, and let's get together again and She United for a cause. Thank you.
So I can show ya, put the pussy on ya, like I told ya. Give me all your numbers so I can phone ya. Your girl acting stink, then call me over. Not on the bed, lay me on your sofa. Call before you come, I need to shave my choke cha. You do or you don't, or you will or won't cha. Go downtown and eat it like a vulture. See my hips and my tips don't cha. See my ass and my lips don't cha. Lost a few pounds in my whips for ya. It's the kind of beat that go ba ta ta, ba ta 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 ta. So good, I say blah, blah, blah. Work it, I need a glass of water. Boy, oh boy, it's good to know ya. Is it worth it? Let me work it.